Hi everyone! It's time to go over our spelling words. Our spelling words use a pattern this time that is the consonant LE. That means that there's a consonant and then the word ends in LE. Now I'm going to flip my camera around and we're going to look at a few words as examples before we go through the spelling words. All right, so here we have the word mid, like we are in midterm. Now, in order to make this into the word middle, we add another D, that's the consonant, and then add LE. And now, as you can see, we have the word middle, consonant LE. So we have two D's in the middle of that word. Here we have bun. I'm going to turn that word into bundle, ending in LE. So I'm going to add a D and then the LE. So you can see it's a consonant LE, bundle. Now next we have the word set. Now if I want to make it into settle, I can't just add the LE. I have to add another T so that I have a consonant LE, settle. Here we have the word bat. To turn it into battle, I add another T and then add LE, battle. Rat becomes rattle, two T's, consonant LE. And cat becomes cattle, two T's, consonant LE. Now, our spelling words for this week do very much the same thing. Our first word is rip, easy to spell, R-I-P. We're going to take that and we're going to make the word ripple. So we add another P and then the LE, rip-pull, ripple. Our next word is lit. I lit the candle, but I'm now going to turn it into little. So am I going to add just an LE? No, I have to add another T. So I have two T's in the middle and then my LE, little. Our next word is set. We looked at this one just a minute ago. If I want to make it into settle, I have to add another T and then the LE, settle. And then another of our spelling words is pad, P-A-D. But I want to make it into paddle. So again, don't just add LE. You have to add another D so that we have two D's, D-L-E, paddle. Another of our spelling words is bubble. Notice it has the two B's in the middle, bubble. And middle, two D's. Now all of these words here, bubble, middle, paddle, settle, little, and ripple, they all have that consonant LE in them. Now, if I were going to find out how many syllables there were in these words, I would separate them between these two consonants in the middle. Rip, pull, lit, tull. Notice there's a T at the end of the first syllable, lit, but then there's also a T at the beginning of the second syllable, tull, lit, tull. Set, tull. Again, there's a T before that second syllable. Same thing with pad, dull, mid, dull, and bub, bull. So maybe that will help you to remember to put two of those consonants in the middle. Now, we also have some words from last week. Open and lady. Those are repeat words. You should know how to spell them. Here is our first challenge word. Only. Only. O-N-L-Y. Our next one is group. We joined a group of other kids. G-R-O-U-P. Group. And our last spelling word is important. Now that can be spelled exactly the way you sound it out. Important. Important. Or important. However you want to do that, that should help you spell it. So those are our spelling words for this week. Make sure you practice them and be ready for your spelling test.